Myself, Dr. Praveen Kumar Singh, Assistant Professor, Department of Horticulture in College of Agriculture Sciences, Tirthankar Mahavir University, Muradabad. Today I will discuss topic is pre-harvest and post-harvest factors deteriorating the quality of fruits. First point is post-harvest deterioration. What is deterioration? Post-harvest food loss is defined as measurable qualitative and quantitative food loss along the supply chain, starting at the time of harvest till its consumption or other end uses, like and almost 40 to 50% of horticultural crops produced in developing countries are lost. These are pre-harvest and post-harvest factor affecting is first point is pH loss. What is pH loss? मतलब post harvest losses. Post harvest losses is measurable qualitative and quantitative food loss starting from harvest till is consumption. Indian scenario of horticulture in India, that likes these are second largest producer of food next to China, and 257 million tons of food grain and 75 million tons of fruits and 149 million tons of vegetables. Main cause of post-harvest loss. The main cause of post-harvest loss is lack of temperature management, rough handling, and poor packaging material, lack of education about the need to maintain quality. And these are major main cause of post harvest losses factors is like temperature management and rough handling is major causes of post harvest losses. This topic is pre-harvest factors affecting post-harvest quality of fruits and vegetables. Like, what is the factor of pre-harvest factor affecting and post-harvest factor affecting? Like, first is genetic factors, second is mineral nutrition, third is planting density, fourth is environmental factors, next is pruning and thinning, next is irrigation and use of organic materials, and plant growth regulators, maturity stage, and last is time of harvesting. These are post harvest losses in horticultural crops. This topic is genetic factors. What is genetic factors in horticultural losses? Post harvest losses. Horticultural breeding and technology could play a significant role in improving and maintaining post harvest quality. Next is the growers have the choice of selecting preferred cultivars prior to planting crops. These are it means selection of preferred cultivars prior to planting. And second is mineral nutrition. This includes effect on fruit color, texture, disease susceptibility, juice consumption, and the development of physiological disorder. Uh, by Singh et al. 2013, high calcium uptake in fruits reduces respiration rate and ethylene production by Singh et al. 2013. These are includes fruits, color, texture, disease susceptibility, juice component, etc. This point is planting density. What is planting density? High density planting, HDP, like increased competition between plants reduces light availability and thus may decrease fruit quality. Total soluble solid were decreased with increasing plant density in muskmelon. Next is increasing planting density, decreased fruit quality, fruit weight, color, soluble solid, sucrose, glucose, fructose, sorbitol, malic and citric acid in apple. These are this figure is shown is standard population like 32,000 plants per acre and high population is 44,000 plants per acre. Increasing plant density and decreasing fruit quality. This slide is environmental factors. What is environmental factors in post-harvest losses in horticultural crop? Like the synthesis of bioactive compounds are also affected directly by various environmental factors. Reported that kiwi grown under higher temperatures mature earlier than the same crop grown under lower temperature. High rainfall and the consequences on fruit growth also increase incidence of skin cracking disorder such as found in cherries. Like these are high temperature is early matureness and high rainfall is affecting the skin cracking and disease in fruit crop or vegetables. What is effect of pruning and thinning in horticultural crop? Pruning treatment reduce disease percentage of anthracnose and stem of mango. Fruits of shrub and medium pruning had more TSS content in bare, and shooting pruning is also helpful in reducing the tree size and improving the fruit quality of guava by et al. 2000. Like these are post harvest factor affecting like pruning and thinning reduce disease percentage and increasing fruit quality of horticultural crops. This topic is irrigation. Irrigation decreasing fruit moisture loss during storage significantly decrease the incidence of pathological disorders. Sunburn and cracking in apple is caused by moisture stress, and increase in temperature and maturity will lead to fruit cracking and burning in lychee. Like these are uh, decreasing fruit moisture and decreasing pathological disorder. Maturity stage. The maturity at harvest has a major impact on quality and post-harvest life potential of fruits and vegetables. These are uh, major impact on quality at harvest of irrigation. The major impact on quality at harvest. Time of harvesting. Fruits harvested before 10 a.m. in the morning and transported to pack house for sorting, grading and packaging yield better quality and last longer. It is desirable that the fruits are harvested during the cooler of the day to reduce the risk of heat injury and sunburn. These are the fruits harvested before 10 a.m. in morning and harvested during cooler parts of the day. And next point is post harvest factor affecting post harvest quality of fruits and vegetables. Uh, Horticultural crops differ from cereals and pulses with respect to certain natural characteristics like moisture content, texture, unit size, etc. Major factor affecting of post harvest factor affecting is five types. First is pre-cooling, second is sorting and grading, and third is packaging and packaging material, and fourth is storage, and last fifth is transportation. First point is pre-cooling. It is desirable that fresh produce like grapes, mandarin, berries, cherries, lychees, melons, stone fruits, okra, tomatoes, capsicum, chili, peppers, cucumbers, green beans, peas, spinach should be cooled as rapidly as possible, and delay in the pre-cooling will reduce the final quality and shorten the post-harvest life. These are, it means the fresh fruits should be cooled as rapidly as possible, and delay will reduce the final quality and shorten post-harvest life. And next point, second is sorting and grading. Sorting and grading of fruits prevents damaged produce to get mixed with undamaged ones, leading to lesser probability of transfer of disease, prevent the original color, flavor, aroma, etc. Next point is differentiate the produce on the basis of. Next point is differentiating the produce on the basis of size, color, range of damage, ripening stage, leading to better post harvest life, leading lesser damage. It means sorting and grading prevents damaged produce to get mixed with undamaged ones, and sorting and grading is the on the basis of size, color, range of damage, etc. Next point is packaging and packaging material. What is the effect of packaging and packaging materials of horticultural crops? The fruits are fragile products and therefore need packaging to protect them from mechanical damage. The packages should also be well ventilated. Anwar et al. By Anwar et al. 2008 also reported that the most mangoes packed in wooden crates, which apart from causing physical injuries and bruises during transit are being restricted in international markets on account of quarantine and special disinfestations treatments mandatory for international trade. It means the protect fruits from mechanical damage, and packages should be well ventilated. And next point is storage. What is storage? Storage reported that in developing countries the common storage facilities are air cooled common storage houses which rely on natural cold air. Recommended storage temperature and relative humidity for cabbage, lettuce, and carrot are 0 to 2 degrees Celsius and 85 to 90% respectively is humidity by CCDC in 2010. It means air cooled storage houses which rely on natural cold air, and storage temperature and relative humidity is 0 to 2 degrees Celsius and relative humidity is 85 to 90% in fruits or vegetables. And last factor is transportation. Transportation is the worst and the most important factor in the marketing of fresh produce. Transport takes produce from the producer directly to the consumer. FAO 1989. High temperature and buildup of gases that accelerate enzyme activity and thus cause over-ripening of softening and microbial activity are factors that contribute to the deterioration of fruits harvest. Agona and Meninja 2008. It means these it is worst is most important factor in transportation, and transport takes produce from producer directly to consumer. Thank you.